أصحابتي قالوا ما سنتي سودوان.
وكعلي
أصحابتي قالوا ما سنتي سودوان.
subscribe
Subscribe.
the channel
لا.
subscribe the channel
Subscribe channel.
subscribe
Subscribe.
the channel. Yo, assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are here in Banadir with my friend here, Yahya. So we are now exploring Banadir, downtown Banadir. So Yahya, maxaa ka leedahay meeshaan? The best. By the way, this is episode 2 of Banadir, by the way. qaybta labaad Banadir waaya. So Yahya, yes? Maslax. Seriously, maslaxo cosmetics. Wallahi ma garanayani. I don't know. But I've seen waa arkay kuwa caan waa arkay some TikTokers yeah waa arkay meeshan isticmaalaan. Malana joogaan. Beertan wadda galleena ayada la beertan wadda. Yeah, so right now guys we are just walking directly to I don't know, we are just on the street right now. Wadadan miya? Wadadan kalkalson? صح. Ifan? Coffee. صح. But guys, the nightlife here is just so cool, man. It's so cool. The nightlife is just so cool. And make sure to subscribe the channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, as usual, hit the like button, hit the notification also bell so that you can get what do you call? So that you can get notifications. Whenever I upload the videos. Yeah. Fijan. So guys, there's a local cafe that is in just a few yards away from us, few meters away from us. So that it's called Fijan Cafe. Fijan. By the way, magaca Fijan maxaa laga wadaa? What do they mean Fijan?
Fijan. Qaayada la qof la curiyo. Magaca qof curiyo magaceeda Soomaaliyeed.
We are still, by the way, actually we surpassed the place because we are looking for the name Fijan. Fijan. Oh, horo ku yaala wali still. Hormiya. Okay. So my friend is saying that we just we passed this place like 2 times. So we are just heading up the first floor to our cafe. This is Fijan Cafe, local cafe in Banadir. Yes. Oh. Ay, jantai. Meesha saway. Okay. Let's go. Yes. Yeah, she was there, by the way. Yeah. She was there. There was one time that I came here. So, kita di sana? Yeah. So, okay. So because of the background, anak di sana lamse. Okay. Yeah. Absolutely, guys. Yeah, so here we are, guys, after a long walk from the streets. We're just here and exploring. So I want to show you something here. One of the amazing things that we have here in Mogadishu is that I've never seen this, in fact, in my entire life since I was in Mombasa. But I want to show you something. So you can see they have got some books here. You can see that. Okay. pretty much maybe to keep yourself busy and maybe keep waiting for maybe for the order. I don't know. There's also more things here. There is also what do you call this? Yes? Why did you come here? Come to know. No, explain to me. There is this here. So guys, so what is this? Yeah, what is this? So basically, guys, he's saying that. Yeah. So he's saying that it's made up of wood. It's actually I don't know. Oh, it's for shaking milk. You know, for making maybe buttermilk. It's a traditional one. Maybe it's a display one, and then there's another one here. Show him. Oh, this is a kind of a basket, you know. It's a knitted handmade basket. So the small one, a miniature. This is a miniature basketball. Basket. And what else? Oh my days! What a beautiful thing. Let me show you. This is also what do you call? This is also. Yeah. Thank you. Read that for the menu. So this is a spoon also, kind of style. This is style one, made out of wood. So what do we have here? Yes. So guys, this is called masaf. Masaf sounds Arabic. Yes. Masaf. Masaf. It's used for what do you call the graining of some. I don't know. Maybe if there's the comments, you can tell me what the meaning of this is. But it's for for removing that from rice, beans, the briska, yeah. Just removing. You just put here. You just put some rice there, and then you just do it like this. Well, it's stylish, guys. It's stylish. So it's stylish. Yeah, just show us. You can see that there is this is the background, the background of the house. This is the traditional hat, Somali hat, and then we have got the flag, the national flag of Somalia. This is amazing. Return them, guys. Got the lion also, and the basket, handmade basket, a miniature, a small one, and the last but not the least is the spoon. Got the spoon. This is the spoon, made from wood. So guys, it's amazing. I've never thought Somalia would be this kind of amazing. So, the media that has been portraying Somalia as being a bad country, I'm telling you, the CNN, BBC, don't listen to this. This is the true nature of Somalia. Whatever you've gotten in other African countries, Somalia has better than that. So now back to the video, guys. Now we have to select our menu. Maybe the lady has brought us a menu. So yes. Anything. I'm gonna look for Kenyan food. If there's any Kenyan food. Can you show them? Yeah, guys, these are different types of food here, and drinks that we got there. Abtan kafiri, no? Okay. By the way, the food here is being tagged as in US dollars. So the food here is tagged in the currency of the United States of America. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a drink. Adi maxaa leedahay? No? Yeah, so I'm gonna have a drink. Just give me the one. You know, because you know just had mango, Somali tea $1, and English tea $2. Iced tea. Yeah. Factor qoran tahay. You want the cheapest one? Yeah, my friend wants the cheapest one. Okay. Oh, it's already okay. Last time that I came here, I had iced latte. That's $1.8, and then today I'm gonna have I don't know. Should I have coffee or mango juice? Immune boost detox orange healthy. Okay. This is a health corner. Yeah, waxaad keenaysaa just bring ice latte laba xabo and you know chapati waan qaadana laakiin chapati idinku waxaad keenaysiin dry keenaysiin dry yeah waxaa ku maalin hore imaade wax noqon ma helin
adiga wax kale ku cuntay xoogaa oo ku qaadin kartid baan karaadsanay
so maxaa lagu daraa ama haddaan qaato
yani chapatiga waxyaabo loo qalaasano
yeah
saxaarka kale
chapatiga midka maka duwan yahay kan midka Kenya maka duwan yahay
Swahili kile wala xoogaa waxaa helay suugo wax ku cuntida dalbana kale
suugo
saxaarka oo kale
sukaarkana asaga sukaar maqaaha labadooda sukaarkii asaga isku daro
kusoo ogaanaa
yeah just iso sheeg but firi labadaas drink latte labadaas ice latte laba xabo yeah so there's a kind of information that I was trying to get from her. Last time that I came here, I got I got chapati, you know, a dry one. They give me just chapati, you know, without any soup or anything. And I thought maybe it's a kind of a way that's but now I've tried. She's going to ask if there's any soup or any kind of, you know. Yes, hello. Yeah. It says yes.
Chicken iyo chapati gas $4
Sukar
chicken iyo
chicken iyo
chapati gas
$4 intii laga bixiyo cabitaanka latte expensive $4 just one chapati and okay, no problem. Marka adiga waxa sameynaysaa we'll decide just cabitaankaas nala soo orod those two latte
kaas waa tira maho
labadaas keen ice latte
sukaarka iyo
ice latte
I think it's
yeah cabitaankaas laakiin waa kusoo fikirina bas kuwan kale dalbina kusoo fikirina kan chapatiga waan ka fikirina qole dalbin
adeertas bedeli kartaa jooska waxa ka bedeli kartaa sambuus bur jiyo
samosa
bur bijiyo
بدي مرمى
sambusa qaali ah sambusa adin faat laba xabo ma
laba xabo hal dollar 60 ina fi nuu filan tahay
wala
iyo burka madaasiga tadaad shii
مرمى لو حب سمبوسي يعني كان كذا ايه
burka nafta kasta tadaad shii 6 laba xabo
ما يا سمبوسي ما خلاص حب
laba xabo hal dollar 60
سمبوسي لما يبغى
no mandazi mara just samosa sambusa kan
سمبوسي يعني كان كذا
tankas yeah latte gas yeah yes yeah it's 2.5 okay thank you so thank you so I love this drink by the way This is one of the best drinks that I love. No, latte. So what do you say? What do you say, maxaa leedahay? Comment maxaa leedahay?
هذه الطعام هذا مال كله هذه
Uh-huh.
ما شاء الله نادي على وقت
It's the best, huh? So yeah, take a bite. Take a bite. Samosa. So, مخدرة سي. Have you Lim? Seriously? It's so sweet, huh? It's so crunchy, guys. It's very hot. Guys, it's crunchy. No, samosa no. It kind of tastes like the Indian samosa. So crunchy. Yes.
رايح حضر لكن مننا
Guys, this samosa, it's so hot, man. No, I don't mean that it has got some chili or something, but it's spicy, flavored to the maximum. Amazing, guys. Amazing. You've got samosa which is hot, too much hot, by the way. You can't even touch it for so long. If you touch it like this, you're gonna burn yourself. On the other side, you've got the latte, which is an iced latte. Amazing. So what? I told you. Yes. Yeah. So here we are, guys. After a long walk from the streets, we're just here and exploring. So I want to show you something here. One of the amazing things that we have here in Mogadishu is that I've never seen this. In fact, in my entire life since I was in Mombasa. But I want to show you something. So you can see they have got some books here. You can see that. Okay, pretty much maybe to keep yourself busy and maybe keep waiting for the order. I don't know. So this is the book that I was talking about. It was written by Donald Miller, okay, with Lorna Torian Miller and Abby Misha Miller. So these are the three people that have wrote this movie, and it says "Becoming Human." Okay, so an oral history of the Rwanda genocide against Tutsi. I want to convey a message to my fans, to my listeners, to my audience that are listening to me right now. We live in a world that is so much conflict, with so much wars that is going on around. This war has inflicted so much in the history of human beings, and me as myself, as I speak to you, I live in a country right now that is quite risky. I'm gonna say full risk, but I'm in a quite risk because I don't know what I'm gonna encounter once I leave this place, and it's painful. It's painful. Just remembering what happened to the people in in Rwanda. That's disturbing. Millions of people have died. The Tutsi. It was committed by the Hutu, of Rwanda, and these are the two largest ethnic groups in Rwanda. Shout out to my Rwandan people. I feel for you. I feel sorry for that, and you deserve respect. And so if they would have allowed me to buy this book, I would have buy this book right now. Now I'm taking it to my gallery, to my book, to my collection. Yeah, this is the guy who wrote the book, Mr. Miller. Okay, yeah, Mr. Miller was the one that has dedicated this book. And then one more thing is that it says genocide involves significant death and trauma, yet its enormous scope also includes factors that led to mass killing, the struggle for survival, and ways survivors reconstruct their lives after the violent ends. Okay, so over 100-day period of 1994, the country of Rwanda saw the slaughter of at least 800,000 Tutsi. So now just another correction here, not millions, but there were hundreds of thousands of people that were being committed being murdered by Hutu ethnic group. So the people that were murdered were Tutsi. Okay, so the Tutsi, the 800,000 Tutsi died at the hands of members of the Hutu majority government. So this was based on maybe the government, And then it says that based on a depth interviews conducted over 15 years. Okay, so after 15 years, the book was published and written by Mr. Miller. Shout out to Mr. Miller, guys. Big respect to that gentleman. So it says creating a new life in the aftermath of Rwanda genocide raises profound questions. Okay, how? So what are these questions? Now the questions is that how do survivors of genocide deal with all encompassing traumas? Okay, so it says how do survivors of genocide deal with all encompassing traumas? A lot of traumas probably up to now they are suffering. Okay. Another question is it says that is forgiveness possible? Is forgiveness possible? Now I'm gonna end that. I'm gonna end the questions to that place. Now I'm gonna ask you, is forgiveness possible? It is possible. Okay, we Muslims believe that we do have to forgive our brothers. But massacring and killing 800,000 of innocent civilians, just unforgivable. And last year I saw the young man that was one of the people that were behind that genocide was being arrested in France, and so touching, so heart touching. So guys, bro, what about the restaurant? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. It was stopped, right? Yeah. So guys, right now it's too late. Now we are heading home. Right now we are heading home. So it was a great night. After a long walk in Mogadishu, right now we are just heading home. We don't want anything, bro, because the budget was too high. What do you say? Yeah, the food, bro. We just had 2 samosas and is it 2 drinks, lattes? Yeah, it's pain. The guy is saying it's painful. So what do you say? What do you say? على ذلك.